In a landmark movement, Mizoram has welcomed its first ever train to Aizawl, marking a significant milestone in India's connectivity drive. This engineering marvel, connecting Bairabi to Sairang, features 48 tunnels and over 140 bridges, traversing one of the country's most challenging terrains. For many villagers of Aizawl, it was the first time they had ever seen a train. After 78 years of independence, this rail line has become a powerful symbol of integration and progress. The rail link not only promises to boost trade and travel but also brings hope and opportunity to the remote hill state.
The 51.38 km long Bairabi-Sairang line is a major lifeline for the people of Mizoram. This line, which has come up after more than 75 years of independence, will enable the people of Mizoram to connect with the rest of the country by rail, and this will lead to the fulfillment of the dreams of all the people of Mizoram. Whether we talk about the students, whether we talk about the business persons, all the people can travel by rail from Aizawl to the rest of the country, which will act as a major boon for the people.
The Report News Now.